What's good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, Math by Isaac. It's your boy Isaac Adenaruju, your favorite YouTuber slash math specialist. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Make sure you like this video because you already know it's going to be good. Here at Math by Isaac, we go over math problems, we deconstruct them, and we make them as easy as possible. Alright, y'all, let's get into the video. Alright, you guys, so today I have some special news. We just hit 100 subscribers. Yeah, I really appreciate you guys so much. You guys have done a tremendous job in sharing this channel, subscribing, and I can't thank you enough, you guys. Thank you so much for all your love and support. And as a gift from me to the Math by Isaac fam, I am going to be dropping my Math by Isaac Instagram, which is right here. So make sure you go follow the Math by Isaac Instagram and DM me all the problems you need help with. I will do my best to get back to all of you as soon as possible, either in any of the latest or future videos. So the Math by Isaac Instagram, I'll drop it in the description below. Make sure you guys go follow and DM me all your questions. Thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. Alright, now let's get into the video. Alright, you guys, so today we're going to be looking at factoring trinomials. Now, trinomials, this is an algebraic concept, but hopefully with this video, we'll be able to understand it just a little bit better. So here you have the standard formula for a trinomial, which is x squared plus bx plus c. And here you can see is the factor form of this trinomial, but it'll seem much clearer once we get started. Alright, you guys, let's get started. So here we have x squared plus 10x plus 16. So this is our trinomial that we're using today. Now, if you look at the formula, we have x squared plus bx plus c. We have b being represented as 10 and c being represented as 16. Now, before I get started, I would urge you, please, to go watch the last video. The last video went over the distributive property. Today we'll be working backwards using that distributive property to solve these trinomials. So let's get started. So now we have x squared. That's first in this trinomial. So x squared, whenever I see squared, I know that whatever is under it is being multiplied by itself. So we're going to put x right here. We have x, we have x. So x times x using the distributive property will give us x squared. Now we're going to bx plus c, which here is being represented as 10x plus 16. So 10x plus 16, we have to solve this together because b and c work hand in hand. Reason being, whenever you're trying to find what c is or what is going to be in this factor form, we're looking at what two numbers will multiply to give us c, and those same two numbers have to add to give us b. So let's get started. We have 16. So we're finding multiples of 16. So we have 1 times 16, 2 times 8, and 4 times 4. Now, one set of numbers here will add up to give us b, which is 10. So 2 plus 8 will give us 10. 2 times 8 will give us 16, and 2 plus 8 will give us 10. So we know that right here, 2 and 8 are the answers to this trinomial. So now all that's left is to write it out. So we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can go anywhere here. I just prefer to write it first come, first serve, you know. So we have x plus 2 and x plus 8. So this is the factored form to this trinomial. So as always, guys, I like to check over my work because this just gives me a reassurance that my answer is correct. So here we have x plus 2 and x plus 8. Now remember, going back to that distributive property, we're going to start with FOIL. So we have first, so we have x times x. So x times x is going to give us x squared. Give us x squared. Then we have outer, x times 8. That's going to give us 8x. And next we have inner, 2 times x. So that's going to be plus 2x. And then last, 2 times 8 is going to give us plus 16. Now notice it doesn't look the same as our original trinomial. we have x squared plus 8x plus 2x plus 16. So what is left is to simplify. So we have x squared. We're looking for like terms. So 8x and 2x are alike. So we're going to go ahead and add that. That'll give us 10x plus 16. Bring everything down. And plus x squared. So as you can see, this is the same as our equation right here. So therefore, we know that x plus 2 times x plus 8 is the simplest form for this trinomial at the top. Alright you guys, that's the end of the video. I really hope you learned something. Just a quick recap. Today we went over factoring trinomials. Factoring trinomials is the algebraic topic, but if you haven't already, go back and watch the full video. You'll get a better glimpse at what trinomials are as well as how to factor them. Make sure you also go back and look at the last video too to get a better understanding of the distributive property. But other than that, guys, I really appreciate you guys. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. And guys, a big thanks to all of you, all the Math by Isaac fam out there. We got to 100. We got to 100, guys. We're moving up. But as I said before, right here is my Instagram for Math by Isaac. Make sure you go follow and DM me all your questions, all your problems that you need help with, and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, guys, stay safe and God bless.